So hey, what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kokote, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mag-update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kokote, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is animals and people. So dito sa ating lesson na to, malalaman natin kung ano nga ba yung nagagawa or nagiging help sa atin ng mga animals sa ating mga tao, and ano nga ba yung give and take relationship na nangyayari sa atin sa ating mga animals. So ito na pag-aralan na natin to, but we will go deeper or we will repeat and we will review, and meron tayong mga panibagong information sa pwedeng malaman dito sa ating lesson na to. So let's start and let's find out. Let's find out. Primitive people learn to hunt and capture wild animals for food. As human civilization advanced, they learned the technique of domestication. So, ano nga ba yung domestication? What is domestication? It refers to the ways of taming, raising, and breeding animals for human purposes. So, domestication is the way of taming, raising, and breeding animals for human purposes. Evidence indicate that the first animal that was domesticated was the gray wolf. The descendants of gray wolf today are the dogs. So, from wolf, nagiging yung kanilang mga descendants ng mga gray wolf ay mga dogs. Look at the picture of the gray wolf. It looks like very much a modern dog. If I'm not mistaken, husky. It looks like a husky. Di kasi ako familiar sa mga types ng mga aso kasi yung mga hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng mga aso na may breed. So, yan, hindi pa kami nakakabili ng mga ganong aso. And, if I'm not mistaken, this is a husky. So, yan. As time went on, humans learned to domestic goats, sheep, camels, horses, and other familiar animals. So, the humans derive many benefits from animals. So, from domestication, so yung mga animals natin for today is nagiging friends na natin. And of course, nagkakaroon tayo ng benefits sa kanila and nagkakaroon din sila ng benefits from us. So, next tayo, benefits derived from animals. So, syempre, nagpo-provide ng animals ng food, or animals provide food. In all three main meals you eat, unless you are a vegetarian, you will undoubtedly find food from different animals like pork, beef, hot dogs, ham, sausages, fish, shrimp, crabs, milk, eggs, and a countless more. So, if you're a vegetarian and gusto mo talaga ng healthy living, so, hindi ka talaga makakahanap sa mga 3 main meals mo ng mga food from animals like eggs, hot dogs, beef, pork, chicken. So, dahil hindi ako vegetarian, so, every day, I've seen different types ng mga food na galing sa mga animals like hot dogs, nuggets, eggs, mga seafoods, mga fish, ganyan, milk, ganyan. So, yan. So, example ng fruit from animals. I think this is a hot dog. This is egg. Oops. Wrong PowerPoint presentation. I think it's a crab. And this is the fish. So, most of the time, nandito sa bahay ay pork, egg, milk, hot dogs, fish, sausages. So, minsan lang kami nagsi-seafood. So, parang monthly, twice a month, thrice a month. So, yan. But more on eggs, mga ganyan for breakfast. Like sausages, hot dogs, so, sa mga tanghalian, yung mga sabaw, and sa hapunan, yung mga, of course, for example, mga prito, mga ganyan. So, yan. Animals provide materials for making useful objects. Bags, shoes, belts, jackets, home decors, clothing, cosmetics, and many more are derived from animals. So, yung mga skin nila or yung mga different parts ng mga animals na maaari nilang magamit for us, yung mga bags like clothes, shoes. So, yan. Bags, jackets, and shoes that come from the skin of the animal. So, yan yung mga, for example, yung mga Hermes Birkin bag that's from crocodile skin. So, yung mga leather natin, shoes, and of course, bags. if I'm not mistaken, Hermes is, yung mga Hermes bag, yung may mga Birkin bag, yung mga crocodile skin. So, yung mga ganon. Yun yung mga, ito yung magiging best example ng animals provide materials for making useful objects like bag, jackets, and shoes. Animals help people to do work. So, yan. Carabaos, elephants, huskies, or snow dogs, and cows are sometimes called beasts of burden because they help man to do work. So, yan yung mga animals doing man's work, and this is the elephant. And in yung carabao natin, so sa Philippines, it's very common para sa makita yung mga carabao sa ating mga sakahan. Of course, they help our farmers na mag-araro sa mga palay natin, and of course, give them a salute, and of course yung parang gratitude for them kasi kung wala sila, wala tayong bigas dito. So yan, yung mga carabaos and mga ating mga farmers ay talagang tandem sa pag-aararo ng mga palay sa ating sa mga sakahan dito sa ating mga iba't ibang karatig lugar dito sa ating bansa. So yan, sa ibang bansa dahil yung sa ibang bansa, may mga huskies and elephants na nag-help sa mga tao for their work. So, animals are made companion of the disabled. So, the best na companion for disabled, like blind, is dogs. So, yung mga dogs natin dyan is talaga magiging man's best friend natin kasi sila yung magiging guide or magiging eyes ng mga blind people para makapaglakad, para makapag-move ng maayos, and of course, malaman kung sino yung mga nasa paligid natin, if it's harm or not, or if they will help you or not. So, yan. Some animals are sources of medicine. They are also used in medical research. Current research indicates that the venom from poisonous snakes which contain alkaloid toxins may be used as clinical application on certain muscle diseases. Wow! Diba? For example, yung mga snakes natin ay venomous talaga. Like cobra, yung iba't ibang klase ng snake. So, yan, yung mga anaconda, something like that, ay may mga venom siya. So, ito yung mga poisons at nakakamatay talaga ng minuto lang ang pagitan para makagala yung mga poisons sa katawan natin. And of course, it will cause death. But, in research, so meron daw alkaloid toxins ang mga venomous snakes or mga poisonous snakes na pwedeng maging gamot or pwedeng maging clinical applications for muscle diseases. Wow! Crab shells are animals into artificial skin, medical sutures, and anti-fungal medication. If I'm not mistaken, the medical sutures is yung parang pangtahi. When you watch medical videos or medical dramas like Dr. Batik 2, suture is always mentioned when it comes to operation. So, yan. So, yung crab shells ay made into artificial skin, medical sutures, and antifungal medication. Leeches have medical uses. They have anesthetic and anti-clotting agents. They have chemicals to dilate blood vessels and increase blood flow. So, leeches or yung mga linta. If I'm not mistaken, it's linta. Leeches are used in some medical purposes. So, yeah. This is the leech. Next. Corals have natural sunscreen against UV rays. An Australian pharmaceutical is trying to manufacture a sunscreen from corals. So, yan. Wow. It's a sunscreen from corals. So, beetles and spiders provide alternate to chemical control of insects. And guinea pigs are used for testing health and beauty aids. So, yan yung ginagamit natin for testing health and beauty aids, yung mga guinea pigs. And this is our lesson for today. So, thank you. Have a great day. And God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video. And leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and suggestions regarding to our recent videos and to our future lessons and topics for our YouTube channel, Quadernos. So, you can DM us at quadernos@gmail.com. So, thank you. Have a great and God bless you in my next video. Bye-bye.